Alright guys, so like joke, ICE has been listed on OKX, as they told us. And as I told you I'm not going to be tempted to sell my ICE because I know ICE price is going to do very good in this bull run. So even if they list, I'm never going to sell it, so I have to lock mine or stake it. That is what I did. But if you look at OKX, ICE has been listed, and if you look at the listing price, on the way 0.002, it rose to 0.0195, and then that is the difference. So those who had a magnificent number, a huge number, they were able to make some better. I told Michael, if you watch any of my previous videos about ICE, I told you, look, when ICE is listed, don't be tempted to sell it, because this price you are going to see is going to skyrocket. So hold your eyes, and then don't be tempted selling it. If you can stake it for a number of years, maybe 2-3 years, so that you are not tempted, because in the matter of this bull run, ICE is going to do amazing, very amazing. So guys, if you want to follow the update on ICE, you need to be part of this channel, because I'll be taking you through the various processes. As long as the ICE platform is concerned, every update I'll be bringing it to you. So if you are not part of this channel, you get to be part of it. And hey guys, I understand per their tweet, ICE is the mining continues till October somewhere. So if you have not started mining ICE, you are not too late. You have to start it. Okay, I'll be putting the link to the registration in the description of the video. It's simple, just like this. The link is going to be just like this. So those of you who are not yet on the ICE mining platform, just click on the link. When you click on the link, I'll be putting the link in the description of the video. Any browser you want, just go ahead and then use it. Once you click on the link, you allow it time to load. It brings you to this interface where you are asked to download the app. You can use a Play Store if you want. Just download the app, and then the app is going to be like this. Let me show you on my screen. The app is really going to look like this. Once you download it, just go ahead and then open it from your phone. Once you click on the app to open it, you only have to follow the procedures. Okay, it will ask you to do some taxes or some you must perform some taxes. Okay, you must first of all claim a nickname. You have to create a nickname. Then you have to start earning. By starting earning, all you need to do is to click on this green button here, and then you do that every 24 hours. Now what the app or the ICE app is doing, the ICE team is doing, is this: once your time elapses and you don't click to start mining, they are taking some ICE or some token from your mine tokens. That's how they are burning it. Okay, so if you don't want to lose your app, your mine token, you must be consistent with time. Every 24 hours you have to just click on this green button that is mining the ICE for you, so that you continue mining it. Okay, now once you do that, you have to also set your profile picture. That's what you can see here. You have to also follow you on Instagram, or you join them on Telegram, and then you perform you send your friends to invite you late from October. If you can even get about 2,000 of the token, let's do some rough calculation. Now during this bull run, we are expecting ICE price to get to somewhere not less than $3. Okay, so imagine you are by October, where the mining will end, you are able to mine just 2,000. Okay, you could do more than that, but even if you have 2,000 and you multiply this 2,000 by $3, that is $6,000 for you. Okay, free of charge for mining the ICE. So guys, this time take every airdrop serious. Okay, I've shared a lot of airdrops on my channel. Those who are in are taking advantage. Those who have subscribed to my channel have taken advantage of the V-Max and V-Money. Survive was listed, we made something. Those who took it serious made something, okay, and other ones. So if you want to take advantage of tokens, I mean free mining tokens, you have to be part of this channel. Just subscribe, click that subscribe button, be part of us, so that I give you a lot of update on important and very good airdrops, not just the fake ones but very good ones. I'll be talking about another one in a matter of today, tomorrow, the one that is also making way. You don't want to miss that one also, so just be part of this channel, so that when I share that experience or I share that video, you'll be among the first to catch up, so that you mine with us. Because with this bull run, a lot of token communities and token projects are trying to launch their tokens to catch up with the bull run. So you need to be part of them, okay? I mean, these are free money. You don't have to spend any money buying them, but you can make a lot of money with them. So guys, I don't want this video to be too lengthy. Just be part of this channel by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the video and take the register and start mining some ICE, because the ICE project is going to be a Bitcoin project, I'm telling you. And we've started already. Guys, let me draw the curtain here, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.